Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So this is an old JCB 3C Ripper tooth. Only thing, the proper tooth on it is missing, and JCB want a lot of money for it from America. Man. Plus this is pretty worn, the holder itself. So I'm going to be converting it to a CAT holder. This now fits JCB MIDI digger and we're the same fitment as a 3C, 3CX one. Bit of shame to change it, but that's worn out anyway, so we'll change it to something better. Okay. You'll probably have to burn it straight when to match the CAT tooth, and you'll have to notch the bottom and make well, notch the top as well so it fits onto it. It'll be like a peg there then. So I made a cardboard template because quite hard to trace that on something flat. You can bend this round to have a correct shape. So cut it out now. It's quite a bit of job. It's a bit over an inch at the front there. So it's quite hard going to start off with, a bit thinner at the back. But yeah, we've cut it now. It fits. Just need to weld it. So I have this on the trusty old oil barrel. Nice place for it to weld it. So I ground a bit of V in it and got rid of a slag, etc. from cutting. So put a few beads across the top there because it'll pull down of that. And just filled the rest up. And I've kept that little bit at the bottom, so me cut the notch in it. And I welded it up, so it'll act as a bit of wear metal and probably, I don't know, it'll actually help it hold it, but it'll save from wearing as well anyway. So it's still really hot, so I'm not actually going to touch it. So that's it really. Just give a cool pin through there, which is converted to cat teeth. So it's old GCB Ripper, and I actually have a picture from an old brochure to I'll put here then. So that's it really. Can't wait to actually get to use this. Leave it cool now and actually get it off. I need to sort the wash shell out to it on this. You'll never get this out. Cut it off nice, put a wash shell there, weld it up so it's safe anyway. I need to sort another pin for the back then. So after that, just knock a pin in this and she'll be done really. What these were, basically, you can still get them new, but what these were, they were before the actual jackhammers and diggers. So basically, ripping up stones or tarmac, etc., concrete, you used these then on the old JCBs. So this is actually, it's a red one, so it's like it's a 3C or maybe early 3CX, early ones with red wheels in. We went to yellow then for buckets, not sure when then. But she's quite old really, a vintage thing. Shame to cut it, but needs must anyway. It'll be usable for me now. So we have a lot of hard ground when, shale, etc. So we can use this and, well, rip up odd bit of concrete. So I've put the tooth on now, knocked the pin through the retainer, and so it's on now. Just need to sort, I've cut that as well, just need to sort the pin at the back now, but I'll leave it be for tonight then. So thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then. So I've got myself this J250 adapter and tooth. It's supposed to be 13 ton will do for my Ripper, and so that's how we work. You have a slot there. You have this like spring wash shell. Sure which way that's supposed to go, but find out. And you slip the tooth on it. And then you see the shoulder nut, you put it on the other side and you knock it through, and this shoulder clips into this spring washer then. That's what holds them. Then you can just whack it out to change the tooth. So that's the Caterpillar tooth type then. So this is aftermarket of course, but yeah. So Caterpillar invented these then. I think it's the 205 cat digger, which is like 13 ton. So it's J250 that fits that then. Okay.